Looking for a place to relax and smoke a good cigar? If so, be sure to visit the Cigar Factory in the French Quarter, where one literally takes a step back in time to a bygone era, where you'll experience the craft of making cigars firsthand. Cigar Factory New Orleans' pulsating Latin sounds and aromatic scents beckon passers-by to indulge in the rich history of the city and the tradition of fine cigar smoking. Cigar Factory features a fully stocked walk-in humidor with a large selection of handmade cigars. Not sure what to smoke? Then ask any one of the knowledgeable staff, and they will assist you with picking the right cigar according to your taste preferences. New Orleans is one of the last cities where you can still enjoy your favorite cocktail and a hand-rolled cigar as you stroll down century-old pathways and revel in the uniqueness that is the Big Easy. As they say in NOLA, laissez le bon temps rouler. Let the good times roll. The Cigar Factory, an inbound destination's must-visit for a great cigar.